will continue to do all we can from an overall perspective of the education sector to continue the transformation so that not only the top 10% of schools excel, but all schools.
As part of the ongoing efforts to reconnect, renew, and recommit the education system for 2023 and beyond, the Jamaican government is investing more than $1.5 billion in the modernization of the education sector for the 2023-2024 fiscal year. It is also committing over $146 billion towards maintaining the delivery of quality educational services and protecting children and the youth. Here are some of the major programs and initiatives for this year and beyond. Over $305 million will be spent on Phase 2 of the Education Transformation Program, designed to alleviate the shift system and secondary school overcrowding. The capital budget for this year will fund the start of construction on Mount St. Joseph High School's 3rd and 4th form blocks, as well as the auditorium. There are also plans to finish building the administrative block. To offer top-notch services to special education students, 3 special education diagnostic centers are being constructed. 2 have been completed at the Sam Sharp and Church Teachers Colleges. And this year, the government is providing $30 million to complete the 3rd at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education Case. About $1 billion will be invested in support of a primary and secondary infrastructure program. This project includes additional work to complete the wastewater treatment systems at Black River and Pepin High Schools. And the architectural and civil structural designs will be completed for Dias Infant, Bound Brook Primary, and Aberdeen, Bel Air, Denham Town, Nain, New Forest, and Stony Hill High Schools. Alongside that, complete electrical upgrades are in the works for Seaforth, McGrath, Albert Town, Spanish Town, Homewood, and Edwin Allen High Schools, to name a few. Also, Kingston and Onoto Bay High Schools, plus Nagohead, Bridgeport, and Golden Spring Primary Schools will have security fencing installed. As the modernization work continues, a further $159 million has been allocated for Phase 2 of the Education System Transformation Project ESTEP in the upcoming fiscal year. The objective is to enhance student results, capital and human resource management, and school infrastructure by 2025-2026. By 2028-2029, this will comprise, among other things, the building of 6 new STEAM academies and 1 institution for visual and performing arts at the secondary level.
We've spent, as a government, quite a bit of resources ensuring that our students have devices, that all our schools across Jamaica have adequate connectivity.
Geotechnical studies and other assessments and the creation of a legal and governance framework for STEAM schools are among the objectives for fiscal year 2023-2024, as is the creation of codified building standards for learning institutions incorporating green building strategies. Reconnect, renew, and recommit. The goal is to support a healthy, stable population while also providing Jamaican students and teachers with world-class education and training.